Hey everybody, how's it going? It's a daily shooter, and every once in a while I find something that I think is really cool. Something that's maybe not necessarily worth a full review, but still something that I want to be able to share with you, and I've never really known how to present that. So what I'm going to start doing today with today's product is I'm going to do more or less like a show and tell. I'll show you the product, let you know it exists, give you the basics, and then you can determine for yourself whether or not it's something that you might be interested in. And I figured this will appeal to those people that really like those short version videos. This is going to be something perfect for you because it's going to be kind of like a quick fix. So anyway, I want to show you today something that is an exclusive. It's something that's kind of brand new. It's based off of previous design, but still something that I think fits an absolute perfect niche. Now, if you've been watching my channel, I have been using easy to see targets since maybe 2014, and they have appeared in just about all of my shooting videos. I love easy to see targets. The one downside to the standard easy to see target, even though they're fantastic, is that they have this orange design. And this orange design, while it really does offset a lot of scopes and, you know, black reticle optics that are out there, one problem I have with these targets is using a red dot. If you use a red dot against this, it just kind of disappears into that orange and it's hard to see. So Optics Planet got together with easy to see targets and came out with this exclusive green target. This thing is really cool because it completely contrasts your red dot. Now, obviously, if you're running a red dot that has a green reticle, then you could still use the standard easy to see target. That's not going to do anything against that. But if you are running a red dot with a standard red reticle, then this gives you that perfect offset. And the great thing about it is when you're having a hard time zeroing a rifle that has a red dot on it, it can be kind of difficult with your standard targets because you're trying to get out there, you're trying to shoot, and you got this red dot and the contrast isn't right, and you just want to zero the rifle so that you know you're confident the next time that you take it out. Well, using targets like this with the green on them will really help you kind of tighten in your groups, get a better shot because you're able to get that better contrast between the different colors here. So these are exclusive to Optics Planet, and I will put a link to these down in the description box, and they will be on sale using the discount code TDS5. You can use the discount code TDS5, save 5% off your entire order. That includes these targets right here, and they have several different ones. If you're looking at the back of this right here, these are all the different designs you can get in the standard orange. And you may be able to get all of those designs in the green as well, but I don't have all of them with me. Again, if you're using a red dot on a pistol, this is another thing that's going to be great for a red dot on a pistol. You want to do some drills, you know, get in on your tighter groups and be able to shoot a little bit better, but that red dot, that RMR on the top of your pistol doesn't contrast well with your targets. You can use one of these and kind of get a better contrast and get a better feel for how you're shooting. So just something I thought you guys might find interesting. I think it's really impressive that they came up with an idea that works specifically for red dots. Anyway, there it is. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.